As scientists are racing to find a vaccine for COVID-19, volunteers are not in short supply for when a vaccine is ready for a trial run. Thousands are signing up, putting their lives on the line just to save months in the timeline of creating a vaccine. He donated a kidney last summer. Now 20-year-old A.B. Rohrig is ready to medically volunteer again.
Just like the nurses and the doctors on the front line, I'm willing to take some risks myself.
As a New Yorker, Rohrig's seen what the pandemic can do and has signed up to be a volunteer in a potential COVID-19 human challenge trial. Unlike other vaccine trials, a group of volunteers would first be injected with a potential vaccine and a second control group would be injected with a placebo. After allowing enough time for the volunteers who got the vaccine to hopefully build immunities, it's all challenged. All the volunteers, those with and those without the vaccine, are intentionally contaminated with coronavirus. Risky, potentially even deadly. But it might also be a quicker path to an actual vaccine for the rest of us.
The intention is to make some people at least infected. This could save months of the time required to evaluate a vaccine.
Multiple vaccines could be tried at the same time, controls put in place for proper medical care, and only young, healthy adults would be chosen.
That's why this is an altruistic act. To volunteer for this.
And when we take informed consent from them, we will have to say to them that we cannot say exactly what is going to happen to them.
And I don't want to be naive or arrogant, and I don't want to hide myself from the fact that there is a serious, not at all trivial risk to me doing this.
Even though the challenge vaccine trial is still just hypothetical, so far 16,000 people from more than 100 countries have already signed an online form saying they're interested in becoming volunteers if the trial happens.